On the very last clip, we want a logo to come in on this where this hammock is. So we're going to put our cursor right there at the 20-second mark. And let's go back to our project. See over here, project beach travel. Let's click on that. And I'm going to close the clips bin because we've already used all those. And I'm going to go over here where we have logos. And you'll see I have the beach travel logo. And I'm going to drag that down here on the timeline, just like we did any of the other clips. And obviously it's way too big. So we're going to click on it to highlight it. And then go over here to properties and go where it says scale. You see where it says 100%, and notice how when I put my cursor over that, it gives me a finger with those two arrows. If you click and hold there and then pull back to the left to make something smaller or to the right to make it bigger, go ahead and get it like that. We are going to animate it, but go ahead and leave it at that size for now.